everyone, this is Rose and welcome to my random channel. This is going to be another mystery double Sephora Play unboxing. If you've never seen one of my videos before, I will put my playlist up in the cards. I'm basically a beauty junkie hoarder, and when I get inspired to film these videos, I just reach into my huge box in my closet, pull out 2 random Sephora Play boxes, and basically unbox, review them with you, and go over the values of the samples so that you'll learn whether or not it's worth your $10. Sephora Play, I actually really do like, me being a Sephora VIB, beauty insider, whatever you want to call it. Mainly because inside each of these Sephora Play boxes, you get this little bonus card, and you take it to your local Sephora, and I think you have to buy a full-size product, but you basically get 50 bonus points, which is the equivalent of you spending $50, which is pretty cool. Let me get into these boxes. I have no idea what months these are. This first one is October 2017. And again, it has that coupon for the 50 Beauty Insider points for you to redeem. And they always give you to the end of the following month to use it up. And then each box comes with this big pamphlet that basically talks about the theme. This month's theme was Complexion Companions. And then the other side basically talks in detail about each individual sample. And I think there are some variances, but it's not to the degree that Birchbox is. Basically everybody gets most of the same stuff, with maybe 1 or 2 products being different and a couple being personalized. Sephora Play, they always send their samples in these cute reusable cloth bags. And then I'm gonna get into everything. The first sample I have is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I'm always into face primers just because I'm oily, I have huge pores, and some texture to my skin. This sample is 0.25 fluid ounces, 7.5 milliliters. And it's a luminous 2-in-1 primer that preps skin for long-lasting foundation while it highlights. Pretty cool. The next thing I have, which I think is pretty sweet, is a Makeup Forever HD, Ultra HD foundation sample. And this is my color, Y415. And how much is in here? 5 milliliters, 0.16 fluid ounces. Really nice sample size, and it even has a pump on it. Never tried this foundation before. Pretty excited to try it. A fan favorite foundation known for its long wearing coverage and flawless finish that looks natural in every light. Next thing, very excited to try, by a company I've never heard of called Stellar. Cosmic Face Powder in Haze. This is 0.06 ounces, 1.7 grams. And then this is what the package looks like. Maybe I should open this and see what this is. It's a water-resistant setting powder that works as a real-life filter, leaving skin with a flawless airbrush finish and luminous glow. Pretty excited to give this a try. Those are some pretty strong claims. We'll see if it works on my messed up skin. Next thing is Sephora Collection Make the Moisture of It Instant Moisturizer and Cream. This is 15 milliliters, half a fluid ounce. A best-selling moisturizer infused with hyaluronic acid for deeply hydrated skin that feels great all day or night. One thing I will admit that I'm interested in trying is more of the Sephora line, because I've heard there's some pretty good products. I'll admit, I think the only thing I've ever tried is like a lip gloss or a lip stain or a liquid lipstick, and that's it. So, pretty excited to try this. Next thing, very excited. I have Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Moonlight. 2.8 milliliters, 0.095 fluid ounces. This is the package it came in. And then I love how these samples are basically like miniature versions of the full size. Now this, ooh, this looks really pretty. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh wow. Look at that, how reflective that is. And then let me, oh wow. I just put that teeny tiny drop. Do you see that, folks? That is gorgeous. Highlighting drops made of highly concentrated pearlescent pigment that can be used for a dramatic strobe or understated glow. Really excited to try that. And then Sephora Play, they always have one fragrance sample in there, and it's the 6 sample always. This is the Azure Wish by Tory Burch, which I'm sure is pretty expensive. Belle Azure, actually, is what it's called. And this is the little book that it came in. Inspired by the French Riviera, this refreshing scent warms and excites the senses with notes of citrus and earthy vetiver, scented with breezy florals. 0.05 fluid ounces, 1.5 milliliters. Let's give this a smell. It doesn't smell bad. It does make me think of the beach. No, actually, now that it's settled, I really like that. It kind of makes me think of Kat Von D's Saint scent almost. It smells pretty good. So the value of this first Sephora Play October 2017 box is, let me get into the second one. Always comes in this striped packaging. In this, I actually redeemed the points. I gotta admit, I sometimes forget to, which is pretty sad. But this is the other side that talks about the theme, and then all the products. So, oh, and then here's the bag. All right, the first thing is Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. This is 5 grams, 0.17 ounces. A jet black mascara that creates long, beautiful lashes with a unique curvy brush that builds volume, starting at the hard-to-reach center lash line. And then Marc Jacobs packaging is pretty understated. Now this is something I actually have used before and it works fairly well. The Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Gently a highly effective charcoal mask that draws out impurities for clearer pores. Can definitely use that. Next thing is IGK. I have no clue what it is. A half fluid ounce, 15 milliliters, hydrating hair balm. A nourishing leave-in conditioner that boosts your hair's hydration for shiny, frizz-free style. Something I can always use. Next thing is a Sephora Collection Ultra Shine Lip Gel in Perfect Nude. A super light lip gel in a soft pink shade that brings out the best of your natural lip color. This is 2.9 grams, 0.1 ounces. 04 Perfect Nude is the shade. I actually really do like these type of applicators. It's like an hourglass. And that looks fairly pigmented. Nice pretty shade. Next thing is the Perricone MD H2 Elemental Energy Hydrating Cloud Cream. A lighter than air face cream that refreshes skin and delivers moisture that lasts. This is 7.5 milliliters, 0.25 fluid ounces. And that's how that looks. And then the fragrance sample is Burberry, My Burberry Blush. A fruity and beautifully feminine floral fragrance that captures the vibe of strolling through a London garden. 2 milliliters, 0.06 fluid ounces. Oh, this is what the card looked like. And then here's the actual sample. Let me smell this. It actually doesn't smell that bad. I'm not a huge floral fan, believe it or not. But it's really light and soft. It smells pretty good. So the value of this box is, here are both the values. Am I still a member? Of course I am. All right, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in a comment or message. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose. Thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, please don't hesitate to give this a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day. And you'll see me again, hopefully, very soon. Happy holidays.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you wanted to. Don't know what you need.